here. And tonight, he's back, people. He's back by popular demand. Let's hear it for Sergeant Pyro.
Hello!
Hey, Sergeant Pyro. What do we got going on tonight, Sergeant Pyro?
We got some eyeballs.
We got some eyeballs. We got some crazy eyeballs from TNT fireworks. And, really, all these are little spinners that look like they're from a very frantic universe. And if we flip it over there, Sergeant Pyro, let's see. We got the back there. All right, let's do one more flip. Believe it or not, this has a performance on it, and it just says beautiful ground spinner with silver circle to crackles. So, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to light some fireworks?
Yeah!
Whoa, people, he's back. He's ready. He's got the torch. See you in the street pad. Yeah. All right, we're at the street pad. Sergeant Pyro's ready. Go ahead, Sergeant Pyro. Here we go. We got the first one. Whoa. Little doodad. No. Wait a minute. No. Wow. We'll keep going. There he goes. Oh, Sergeant Pyro's fancy tonight, people. Here we go. Whoa. Get ready, Sergeant Pyro. Whoa! BBQ